remember the material last meeting? Before I tell you the material today, I would like to say, hard work will never disappoint you. So, let's do our best for the lesson today. Alright, today we are going to learn about descriptive text. And at the end of the lesson, you are supposed to be able to first analyze the social function, text structure, and language features of a written descriptive text about a person. Second, write a descriptive text about a person. Your activities today are: watch the learning material from PowerPoint presentation and a video from YouTube. Second, do and discuss the student's worksheet about descriptive text. And the third, individually write a descriptive text about a person.
Descriptive text is a text which says what a person, a place, or a thing is like. The social function or the purpose of descriptive text is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. The generic structure of descriptive text, there are two. The first, identification. What is identification? It is identifying the phenomenon to be described. And the second is a description. It is describing the phenomenon in parts, qualities, and characteristics. The language features of descriptive text, the verbs is using linking verb. Is, am, are, look, sound are examples of the linking verb. Example of a sentence: my mother is pretty. Is here is the linking verb. John looks cool. Looks here is the linking verb. The second language feature is using adjective. The first, adjective to show physical appearances. For example, beautiful and handsome. Here is a little girl named Emily. The physical appearance that's suitable for her is beautiful. So the example of sentence that we can make is, Emily is a beautiful girl. Using adjective to show character and personality. For example, smart, funny, and hardworking. Okay, this is Jimmy. The adjective that's suitable for his character is smart. So the example is, Jimmy is smart. The third language features of descriptive text is using simple present tense. Here is Emma with her ice cream. So the example that we can make from the picture of Emma is, Emma likes ice cream. There is another picture. There are three boys playing soccer. Okay, for example that we can make from the picture is, Damian plays soccer with his friends. So simple present tense is used to express effects and habits in our daily life.
Alright, students, you have read and watched the material about descriptive text. Maybe there are some questions in your mind about descriptive text, like, is descriptive text only describe about a person? Or why is it called descriptive text? Okay, now let's discuss. The object in descriptive text does not only describe about a particular person, but it can also describe about a place, an animal, and others. But for today, we only focus on descriptive text about a person. Okay, Now for the second question. Why is it called a descriptive text? Because its content is description about particular object. Most important, the text consists of identification and description. Please make a group of 3 or 4 with your friends. Here is the worksheet you have to do and discuss with your group for 15 minutes. You can open the learning material again to help you answer the questions. Alright students, you have answered and discussed the worksheets with your friends. Now, let's see the question number 1. The question is, what is the intention of the writer to write the text? The answer is, the writer wants to describe his or her mother. This question is a question that asks about the social function or the purpose of descriptive text. Now, I hope you have a better understanding about a descriptive text. Alright students, your next activity is to write a descriptive text about a person. Now, individually, write a descriptive text in your notebook about your idol in 2 or more paragraphs. Remember, pay attention to the generic structures and language features. After writing, take a photo of your text and upload in the submission of Schoology. Now, we've come to the conclusion. Alright students, what we learned today is the definition, the social function, and the generic structures of descriptive text. Can you recall them? Okay. Descriptive text is a text which says what a person, place, or a thing is like. The purpose or social function is to describe or reveal a particular person, a place, or a thing. The generic structures are identification and description. The language features are linking verbs, adjectives, and simple present tense. Alright students, we already had the conclusion of the descriptive text. Now, for the reflection, please write what you have learned today. On the next meeting, we will have an assessment about the material today. So, prepare yourself. Thank you everyone. Thank you for the participation. You did a great job today. Remember, success all depends on the second letter. It's you. See you next week. Bye-bye. Om Santi, Santi, Santi. Om.